let's talk about loan term and amortization. Now, don't confuse the word term and amortization. They're two different things. Usually, a bank will give you a term, for example, a 10-year term or a 7-year term, but the mortgage payment will be amortized over an amortization cycle that is significantly longer than the term of the loan. Generally, a loan is amortized over 20 years, 25 years, or 30-year period. But you can expect higher or lower amortization schedules depending upon the risk level of the property for the lender. There is little amortization of principal, resulting in a balloon payment at maturity. The borrower usually repays the loan in monthly installments that may include only interest for the entire term of the loan, only interest for a portion of the term, and then both a principal and an interest, or principal and interest for the entire term of the loan. Now this may sound confusing, so let's go through a quick example using our earlier case of Royal Apartments. Let's say a bank underwrites our Royal Apartment deal and finds it to be a good one. Okay, they are ready to grant us a loan. I mean, who wouldn't, right? Our deal is just that great. They come up with the following conditions. The appraised value, or the value that the bank thinks the property is worth, is $3.09 million. Okay, the LTV is 80%, there's a 10-year term, and a 30-year amortization. Interest rate is at 4.5%. So what does all this mean? Okay, well, the LTV is 80%. So right off the bat, you know you're responsible for a 20% down payment, or $618,000. The rest, $2.472 million, will be the loan amount borrowed from the bank. Hopefully that makes sense so far. The full loan amount of $2.472 million will have to be paid back to the bank in 10 years, which is your term. This is called a balloon payment. Okay, no matter what, the bank wants this entire balance paid back to them in 10 years. You will be required to pay down your mortgage, your principal and interest, little by little over the 10-year period. The bank uses the 30-year amortization period and the 4.5% interest rate to calculate what your payments will be over those 10-year periods. Now, what is the mortgage amount in this example, you might be asking? All right, well, do this. All right, Google mortgage calculator. A calculator will come up on your search page. Enter this information and you will see a calculator value of $12,525. This is your monthly mortgage payment. Multiply it by 12 to get your yearly mortgage payment. This comes out to $150,300. Okay, so basically in this example, the bank requires you to pay $150,300 every year in mortgage payments, and by the end of year 10, you have to pay off the entire $2,472,000 loan amount. I hope this is clear. Go back and rewatch this section if you're still unsure. But remember, do not confuse the words term and amortization in a multifamily investment.